GLYC stock analysis next week and onward. Is it a buy or not? Watch this 1 minute video till the end to find out. Ultimately, with GlycoMimetics, 19 cents, 19.5, 2.4% down. Honestly, I'm trying to be kind of not nice here, and this is just like a bearish market. I know we have like an upcoming reverse split, 13th of June or whatever. Like, is that the correct date? 16th, okay. And yeah, it was 16th of June. Like, honestly, even if I come here with GLYC, no previous receipts show up, but here's the before idea. I was open-minded for longs after we got the split, never got a double break, so that kind of went to the freaking bin. And I'm just sitting here talking about the likelihood that we break these 0.17 cent lows, you know, like it's definitely going to be the way to go, unless there's a big catalyst or something crazy, but still bearish market, bearish range. It's only for now, not forever, I guess, but it's again a bearish market for mine. So if you do want to learn how I'm making 5-10K per month trading, click the first link in the description, get my free emails, and I'll see you in the next one.